the tutorials. And we just want the built-in button. Because right now it's not going to link to the tutorial anymore.
Oh.
See what I mean? Let's go to the original. Okay, so like in the original, like this will bring us to the tutorial. We want that still.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. But I messed up. We're gonna clarify. Actually still want the cards to link to the tutorials. Just want us to add an install button. Now they are, right now it's looking exactly like the extension page. Hopefully that's clear enough.
Wait, I know you guys explained it to me.
Yes.
I was like spaced out. I was like, oh, okay. Where are we at?
Okay, so this is pre-Goose, is what's showing right now. Okay, so what Goose has cooked up for us. This is what we see when we go to MCP servers.
Okay.
It looks like this. There's no install button, and then it takes us to the tutorial, which is amazing. We love that. What Goose has done, which is kind of what I asked for, truly, it was my mistake. Here, it's showing like the install button. It kind of
great.
They're linking to the tutorials.
Great. Thank you. Thank you.
See if hopefully the way I explained it made sense. And Goose is like, okay, girl, I got you. Okay, let's see. Tutorial pages like they do, but add an install button. Yep, that's exactly. See, me and Goose, we knew it.
While we're waiting for it, I was curious how the experience with the lead worker has been. I think I only tried it maybe once or twice.
I feel like it's been going pretty good. I do wish we had like, I know we talked about it earlier, like how in the GUI we need like a better representation of when it's switching between models. I know in CLI you can see it, but I think that would be cool if I could actually see when it's being switched off.
Okay. I think it's literally just that. It's just a visual feedback.
Oh, so which ones do you have? I'm curious. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, let's look at my settings. Okay, so what I did was for my lead model, I have GPT-4, OpenAI, and then my worker, I did Claude Sonnet.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Now I'm like fully up to speed.
How do I do that? Let's see. Let's look at the code. Let's see what Goose got going on. All right, using categories. Docs, a whole new one. When I modified my Goose hints to just add like things like never run code, let me do it, things like that. We added the button, yes. We want our extension download button. Cool. Do you guys ever actually look at the code while Goose is working, or you just like?
It depends on my mood. And it depends on how serious the project is. If it's just like a little quick thing, I don't look. But
I don't want to publicly say I have trust issues sometimes, but I just like to visually see what's going on sometimes. Other times I don't need to.
Yeah.
Like I'll maybe look at the preview more instead.
Yeah. Like when we made your calendar view, Tania, we sometimes looked at it. We were like, let's see what it actually
that's
generates.
true.
Aaron was asking, should we be able to see output from the lead model and the worker model? I think your lead model did the planning in the beginning, right?
Mm-hmm. My lead model did the planning, and now my worker's going crazy in a good way. Okay, so what it did was it added docs here, but it's not the correct link. But I don't think I like that. I want.
Oh yeah, I don't like the extra button.
Yeah, I think I want when I click on the title here.
Yeah.
Or just in general, if I click on the card anywhere, I want it to bring me to that tutorial. Right? What do y'all think?
Yeah,
I think so.
Like anywhere it should be. You shouldn't be like, oh man, I can't click. Like, why is it not clicking or linking?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get
somebody. Goose already have integration with GPT-5.
Yeah. Yes, it does.
It does.
Right now, you have to type in the model name.
This song is literally Goose using GPT-5 and Suno right now. The song that's playing in the background.
Yeah.
Let's see. Goose, I don't want to add that docs button. What I
Agreed,
want
Magus.
instead is want when the user clicks on the card, they are taken to the tutorial. Also, double check. Oh my God, I can never type when I'm on a stream. So we got here a tutorial link. Right now, they are incorrect. You guys remember those typing games? Like,
Yeah, I remember. Remember, Leon made us do them.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna need to prep for a stream and just do like 20 minutes.
Ace actually just put out that video using GPT-5 and making a typing game.
Oh, that's true.
Yes. Can I easily pull that up right now? Is it on YouTube or we just put it on Twitter?
Yeah, put it on Twitter, but people might not be able to hear it.
That's true. I have to share the tab. We can just link it though. I don't know if you already did time.
I can link it.
All right, let's see. Okay, so he's double checking where they're located. Yep, love that. Let's see what's going on in the code. And I also agreed with what you were saying earlier. I don't always check the code either.
If it's really important, I think the nature of our job, like if we were building like production products, like yes, always check the code. But sometimes we're just doing like a little demo app, like if it works, it works.
Right, and if it doesn't, we'll just reiterate with this.
Yeah.
And get it to work. Okay, let's see. Hopefully this was enough direction and get what we want. Let's see. Any cool projects you guys are working on?
I'm not working on one, but I was like, let's see where they're at. If they finished, we can basically, you know how we're doing the Code TV web dev challenge?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, we can make the landing page, but it looks like we're deep into this. So that's the next project I'm working on.
We're committed at this point. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got our buttons on. Goose, are you done? You're not done. But let's see.
I'm making a feedback reviewer or data checker type thing with Goose because that's my number one, I think, time waster for me. Not that Goose is wasting my time, but I'm wasting my own time fact checking certain stuff. And I realized Goose does a very good job at checking the source or telling you what source of data it's using for its output and then reviewing it again. So,
cool.
Are you making a recipe for that?
Yeah, I want to make it a working recipe that people can use, but I have it currently. I have it like where it's too specific, like to me. So if I shared the recipe with somebody, they'd have to have specific folders. I'm like, oh, I don't want that. So
yeah, I'm excited. I want to see it when you're done.
Yeah.
Okay, Goose has done it. We no longer have our docs little thing, and now we're going straight to the tutorial.
Ooh.
Are we done?
Hey, Goose.
Oh wait, let's see. So. We got rid of this page by accident.
Not the accidental page deletion. Goose.
Right. It was me. It wasn't Goose. It was me. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because originally, okay. So let's tell Goose. Actually, should we just do it ourselves? No, we're not going to do it ourselves.
No, Goose can do it.
Goose can do it. Thank you so much. It's beautiful and exactly what I wanted. However, when we bring this page back and make it exactly we just created. Wait, and thanks. Oh wait, does this one lead to the tutorials too? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bring this back. Okay, once we do this, we're good to go. And I've it's been pretty good using the lead worker model. It's been pretty seamless. I think at the end, I'm going to ask if you can tell us when did the lead model kick in, when did the worker model?
Yeah, because I'm like, did Goose output any planning or anything? Or not really?
It's because it's so
it did talk about what we've done and stuff after different things.
Because I'm like, I would like to know. Because I did see one girl use the lead worker model on the Goose off, and she had GPT 4.1 do the planning, and it was like mad detailed. It like threw out a whole bunch of planning, and then the next thing came in. Maybe it's though, I don't know.
Maybe
I wish
it's
it would do
model
something
dependent.
better. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe it is model dependent. Honestly, that could be a new project for us to get the lead worker model to switch. I might just try that on my own.
Yeah, that's a project actually. Press
Yeah.
work on. What time is it? Oh, 1:40. I'm like, maybe we could just try to do it right now. But we're coming close on the hour. Okay.
Yeah.
Too much. Let's see. Because I did like a little test with it. And it did show me the model it was. Where did I see that?
It's okay if you can't find it.
Just curious while it's loading. Oh. Okay, let's see what this page is. Okay, I hope it's still working, Goose. You brought it back, but I want it to look like the other page. Where's it? Let's make sure we did. Oh, it's still over here. Ah, no, Goose, what happened?
You undid it?
I undid it.
No, go back.
All right.
Should have committed. We should have just did it ourselves.
Aaron said maybe you can add a link checker script that Goose can run to make sure it doesn't break anything. Especially useful if you're using relative paths. That's a good idea because we are always changing around the.
Goose, how could you do me like that?
After you did all that work, well, after Goose did all that work, but after you did all that prompting.
This can't be real. Let me refresh the page again. Okay.
Wow. Okay. We can tell Goose. Let's be more specific with Goose, I guess.
Okay. Help me with the prompts, guys. Even people in the audience, help me out because I had to have done this. Okay.
My prompts are always annoying. I'm always like, no.
I'm always yelling at them.
Yeah.
I start out so nice, and then I'm like, how could you do this? I don't know why I say all that. I'm like wasting tokens.
Yeah.
How I liked it, how I wanted it. Dang, I don't even know how to say it. Okay. Exactly
I would be like, I want to revert to previous. I want to revert back to, and then maybe refer to when you liked it, maybe just before this prompt.
Yeah, and say like you want. Oh, sorry.
No, continue.
I was gonna say revert. I would say something like that. I would want to revert to the view that we had at whatever point that was, but I also want it to be rendered at and then put that particular like MCP link.
These changes are what I wanted. Okay, Goose, let's revert back to the last view that we had. These changes are what I wanted. You had it right the first time. I don't know, let's do this and let's do it. I wonder, but beautiful car, it says we have to install.
The song that Goose made so good.
It's really good. I actually love it, and I love the beat. It's soothing. It's not too crazy.
Yeah.
Love it. Let's see, Goofy. Are we on the same page? Absolutely right. Let me right back to what we had working perfectly. I'll undo this so that when it approach and go back. Okay, let's do it.
Let's see.
Dang, we should have just saved the changes.
Saving the changes with Git.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
We should have because it was what we wanted and it was beautiful.
In my Goosens, I always say commit. Well, I have a that says commit after every change.
I gotta add time. Okay, but Goose says, okay, we're back. Click on it. We go to the tutorial. Cool. Okay, nice.
Yay.
All right. The only problem is this page. Okay.
Why is it still doing that?
Yeah.
It's just up here. I don't know why. I think it's because this is auto-generated. It's like confusing it.
Aaron said, if you take screenshots along the way, you could also show an example of what you want. Good for vibe coding sessions when things change quickly. So true.
I like that.
That's a good idea.
So you're saying when you go to MCP servers, it's there, but not in the nav bar.
Not in the nav bar. The nav
Oh,
bar is not there.
well, the nav bar isn't linking to the right area.
The nav MCPs.
And maybe give it the file that the nav bar is in. Hold on. Let's try to find it.
Isn't it?
Now I understand. At first I thought that was just not linking to it at all. But it's just
Oh,
bar.
Let's see. And F MCPs. Category MCP servers. What should it be saying? Okay, let's go to docs. Close guides. MCP servers. So it should be Goose docs MCP. Oops, lost it.
Honestly, yeah, let's tell Goose. Because I was gonna say let's just edit it, but no, we want Goose to do it. Go ahead, Goose.
I don't even think that did it, what I just did, actually. I thought that would have been fixed.
Oh, you're already editing.
Yeah, but it didn't actually. All right, yeah, let's go to Goose. All right.
Yeah.
MCP's navbar isn't linking to the right area. Can you fix just that, please?
Tell it the file. Oh, never mind.
Oh, wait, sorry. Try to put the path.
No, it's okay. Let's see what it does.
But this looks great.
yeah.
Oh, wait. Let's go back, please.
Not the page not found looking great.
Amazing. This looks good. Let's see. Thank you, Goose.
And the search works too.
Say it again?
Like you know how it says search MCPs? That works too. Nice.
Oh.
Wow.
Beautiful. I love this.
Is the install button good as its current size?
This is kind of the look we had on the other page. What do we think? Do we want it to be different? I feel like it looks cute as is, but do we want it to like actually be like look like a button?
Hmm.
How y'all feel?
I don't think it needs to be like a button, so to speak, as long as it's not easy to miss. I like how it fits with the styling of everything right now, though.
For a second, I know it might not look nice to the viewers, but let me see if that looks.
It just doesn't jump out as much as the title. So, like, you might click the title and you'll at least go to the tutorial.
Yeah.
I just think it could be a little bit either bigger or it could be
maybe
black, maybe.
And we can make
Sometimes I ask Goose too when I'm stuck on something like that, where there's not really like a wrong answer. I'll be like, what would you do to make maybe this text or button more obvious while still matching the styling?
To make the install button to the user. Maybe hold top. Okay, let's see. I really love how these change here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's cute.
And this is a success, if you ask me.
Ooh.
I'm wondering if the descriptions.
What the heck happened?
I missed that.
It looks like somebody dropped some spaghetti sauce on all this, but I think I'm just hungry.
You're definitely not gonna miss this install button.
That looks like a firewall notification. That's crazy.
Okay.
It's not wrong. Instantly noticeable, yeah.
Bold black approach. Don't love the orange.
Oh, maybe it's a black button with white text. I like that you're being so nice. Don't love the orange. But
Can you try the black?
Also, it changed the descriptions. Are you guys
oh
okay with that? Because you know,
no.
before it was just saying like add Goose as or add a like Asana MCP server as a Goose extension.
Wait, did it?
No, we don't want it to change the description.
Yeah, it changed it to what was on the extension library,
Oh,
where
yeah.
it's like describing the MCP server, but we want to like describe the fact that this is a tutorial.
Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
Yeah,
All right, first let's figure out these buttons. Okay, what do we think of this?
that's better. What does it
Yeah.
look like in dark mode?
Dang. Not giving this much in there.
In dark mode, it could be. I mean, it does match, but it could be like white with the darker text, maybe. I don't know if it's too complicated or if I'm overcomplicating this.
Oh, I think so too.
Bold. Okay, after this fix, we're going to tell it really quick to revert back
The descriptions.
Yeah. Good catch, Rizel. I didn't even know what's that.
Goose really likes to, or just depending on the model that you're using, it just wants to write, and I'm like, no, don't write.
Oh, now it's showing Goose flying. I haven't seen that one. Okay. Because what it's trying to do, instead of us like having to completely rewrite code, it's just trying to use some of the components we already have.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's why.
Do we like the button?
Oh, let's go back to the button. Let's see that.
I thought it looked nice.
I do too.
What is that?
What was that?
Sorry. I was like, what did it do?
No, same. I'm like, what is going on?
It definitely jumps out.
Yeah, I think that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
why did it do that? Oh, is there something with the...
Yeah, we can get rid of... What was it before?
It was just black with white
on
text.
white and white on black.
I wonder if it's something... Okay, really quick. Goose. Oh my god. Make sure that changes memory applied to dark mode.
I check Discord if there are any.
Okay, so Megan said they didn't understand the screenshot idea.
I was imagining that Aaron was saying like he takes a screenshot of where he was at different points, kind of like almost like a commit, and then he'll be like, Goose, go back to, like, he'll like send the screenshot or show him the file and be like, go back to this version.
Oh,
yeah, I think that's
this. And this comment from Discord could be a tool feature to store X amount of changes in a history of some sort for an easy undo.
Ooh,
I like that.
Me too.
Easy undo would be cool.
Open an issue for that. I like that.
Okay. Yeah, it would be so nice to just be like click button, revert, and then.
I wonder what that would mean or do with the context window.
Oh,
because like you'd still have spent it. Maybe it wouldn't take as much to undo it. That'd be a cool feature.
Yeah, that would be a cool feature.
I'd use it all the time.
Oh, go ahead.
I was gonna say I would use it all the time, I think.
Me too. I did see someone make a feature, but I think it didn't get merged in, where it's like if you liked a certain point that Goose was at, and then it started to like go off, like, you know, sometimes Goose goes on its own tangent. He like made this feature where you can like create a new session based on where that like last point was, but they never merged it in. I think maybe it was too like it would have added more complication. I'm not sure.
Oh,
idea, but I do love the idea that was shared in Discord too. So
yeah.
Okay, we got our button. Black. Oh, jeez.
Come on.
Moving on. Because of has something with hours. Yes, that's probably overriding it.
Okay.
It's gotta be.
And that's fine.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's what it is. All right. To close this out, let's quickly tell Goose. Can we? What was it again? We want to make sure our text.
Oh, for the tutorial descriptions, the changed ones.
Okay, for the
Reverting it back.
MCP index page, I want the. Why is it not? I think my computer dying. Is it lagging for you guys too?
No.
Oh, it's not. On my side, it's not even seeing what it's doing.
Oh, maybe you had to plug in your.
What? You guys are actually seeing the whole word typed out? What?
Yeah.
Nothing has changed for me.
We're just watching, and you're like in a time loop or something.
Crazy. Okay. I want the description to be what it was before. For example, it said, what did it say, guys? It said
add X extension as add X MCP server as a Goose extension.
Goose extension instead of it explaining the extension, like it's explaining. I can figure out these typos. All right, let's see if Goose can do that to close this out. And what, like, for you guys' case, what would you guys have picked for your lead model and your worker model? Any thoughts?
That's a good question.
I may have tried. Am I able to put GPT-5 right now? I know I can use it, but would I be able to use it here? I'd probably use that for the worker model, and then lead model I'd use Cloud Sonnet for, and see what happens there, and maybe switch between the two.
Yeah. If I was trying to, go ahead.
No, I was just saying I haven't played around with GPT-5 yet.
Me neither. It looks really, really good. If I was somebody trying to save money, but I'm not. I'm using Block's Dime.
Yeah.
I would use like GPT OSS as my worker, and then I'll have the lead be something more performant like GPT-5 or Claude 4. Also, we haven't tried out Claude Opus 4.1.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yep. Richard just said that too.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. We both clicked it. We're like,
get this on screen.
Okay, so we got our description like we wanted it. We're linking to our tutorial. Success.
Nice.
Because I'm crazy and we have a minute, I'm gonna ask you one more time about the button.
Yeah, let's get the buttons right.
Can we get the button to be? Oh wait. What was it?
White button with black text. Very simple. Just the opposite. But you may be right. It may be related to like the components or something that it's pulling.
Goose can do it. Come on.
Come on, Goose.
Wait, guys, I have a nitpick. Don't hate me.
Uh-oh.
You guys,
you're gonna be like, scrap everything. That's my minor nitpick. Scrap all of this. Start over.
You guys feel like it is distracting to also have the command and then the stars for GitHub, like we did for the extension library? Like,
get rid of the stars. I think
maybe the command's fine, but the stars
button is only going to work for desktop.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So
maybe the install button is the distraction.
No, but Angie wants the install button.
Okay, so we do want it, right? Okay.
Yeah, we want the install button. I was just thinking the stars. Like, I don't like thinking like you come here for the tutorial and then you're like GitHub stars, and I don't know. But like,
maybe if you.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's working. Maybe
it was successful. Yeah.
What if we push the? I was gonna say, what if you push the command thing down? But I don't think that solves anything, and I don't think you can. The spacing is exactly as it should be.
No, I think the command is good because you need it. You need to be able to install both the CLI. But I agree. Maybe the stars is like built up off. Let's remove the GitHub stars.
Let's make it fun of me.
I really like what you did, but can we rewrite the whole thing again to include this one feature every PM ever right before the deadline? Literally every single time. And when I write
a minute left, can we?
Look, the minute left, I'm gonna plug the Block open source newsletter because also that happens where it's like, hey, this thing also happened. Throw it in, and I'm like, oh.
The good thing is Goose works fast, so
yeah.
Maybe add like 30 minutes for a second. All right, let's see.
Yeah, we could still be here until we're
good.
finished. So
Working. Still
And I
working.
really like how you separated it by community and
And
built in.
I love it.
I think
Right.
Goose do that on its own?
Yeah, Goose made that decision.
Oh
on its
wow, Goose, you genius.
own. The plan. Once it's done doing this, I'll go up to the plan really fast. We got a lot going on here, but maybe I
Because
can-
community MCP server sounds better than like external MCP servers.
Yeah.
You know?
I agree. When we get to the top before we all want to run out of game.
Scrolling through the gigantic text because we have to have it gigantic so we can see it.
But it looks beautiful. We don't have our stars anymore. We have the
Yeah.
install button that was requested, and I agree. I like it. Our description is what we wanted. Okay, here we go. So this was the plan. Yeah, this was the first planning that we got back from Goose here. I was hoping we could see.
Oh, that was the lead model planner. Okay.
I think we could see a little something that shows us that the lead model did it. Let's see. No, maybe it's in the log somewhere.
Yeah, we should add that because that's
Yeah.
not like a high priority for the devs. So like maybe another stream in the future. We like,
Do it.
yeah, that could be cool.
All right, guys, this was a success. Thank you to both of you for vibing with me. Thank you, audience, for vibing with us and playing around with the lead worker model. Any last words, ladies?
Last words.
Like we're dying.
So, subscribe to our YouTube. That can't be my dying words, but you know, use Goose. No, but if hopefully you enjoyed the stream, and if you have any questions, you can join the Discord, or you can also comment it on the YouTube videos. But Discord will be a bit faster if you have any like burning questions.
And give a few minutes, and you'll actually see this live.
Yeah.
On our docs. Okay, you guys.
Bye.
Hi everyone.
Tech moves faster than the 24 hours we get in one day. Stop wasting your hours scrolling just trying to keep up. Let your AI agent do it for you. Let's plug and play to find out how. Let's give Goose the command it needs to connect to the dev.to MCP extension. Now, let's play. Hey Goose, fetch the 5 most recent JavaScript articles from dev.to, create a landing page for me. I want some clickable titles, 1-sentence summary, and a small project idea that I can use to practice after each article. In seconds, Goose delivered a ready-to-use landing page, clickable links to each article, summaries with actionable project ideas, and a top recommended read first section. Absolutely amazing. So save your hours for building, not scrolling. To get started, visit block.github.io/Goose.